Hello students, so on your request I am doing this video on part A of today's annual exam paper maths. So 1 marks the MCQ ಮತ್ತು fill in the blanks ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. First question, if we take the interval form of x belongs to R, minus 4 is less than x less than or equal to 6. So minus 4 less than x less than or equal to 6. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ less than ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ here it is open interval, ಇಲ್ಲಿ less than or equal to ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ closed interval. So open we denote it by round bracket minus 4, 6 closed interval ಅಂದ್ರೆ square bracket. So answer is minus 4, 6. So option ಒಳಗೆ minus 4, 6 is a square bracket. So B is the answer. Is the first. Second, if set A has 3 elements and set B has 3 elements, the number of elements in A cross B. Simple it is. So number of elements in A cross will be 3 into 3, that is 9, option A. Third, the radian measure of 240 degrees. How we convert degree into radian? By multiplying by pi by 180. So 0 gets cancelled, 6 cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ, 6 4s are 24, 6 3s are 18, 4 pi by 3. Option D is the answer. Next, fourth one, simplest form of complex number, that is I raised to minus 35. Now here you should know this one. If you are not knowing, please note it. It will be helpful for your competitive also. I raised to 4n will be always equal to 1, where n is integer, that is multiple. If I raised to 4n, multiple of 4 is there, then its value is 1. This you should remember. Now here he has given I raised to minus 35. That I will write it as 1 by I raised to 35. 35 if you divide by 4, remainder will be 8 4s are 32, remainder will be 3. So this I will write it as I raised to 8 4s are 32 into I raised to 3. So 32 is a multiple of 4. So I raised to 32 will be 1. So remains is 1 by I raised to 3. Now you should know this also. I is equal to root of minus 1. I square is minus 1. I cube is minus I. Then I raised to 4 is 1. Therefore, I cube is minus I, means 1 by minus I. Third hint, you should multiply by conjugate, or just remember, if you take this to the numerator, the sign changes. 1 by I, if you take it to the numerator, sign changes. So it is minus is there. If you take it to the numerator, it becomes plus. So plus I is the answer. Option A is the answer. Clear? Next we'll see. Fifth, the solution of a set of inequality 30x is less than 200, where x belongs to n, natural number. This is important. X belongs to natural number, he says. So by just seeing that, you can eliminate these two. In B, 0 is there, 0 is not a natural number. B, they are negative numbers, so it is also not a natural number. So answer is either A or C. Now if you solve one step, 30x less than 200, x less than 200 divided by 30, 1 0 gets cancelled. So x less than 3 6 18, 6.66. X should be less than 6.66. So less than 6.66 integer is natural number is 6. So option A is the answer. You will not get 7. Next, sixth one if you take. Sixth one, NC9 is equal to NC8, then NC17 he has asked. Now, remember students, NC9 is equal to NC8 he has given. If these two are same, if these two are N, then N will be equal to sum of these two. That is, N is equal to 9 plus 8, that is 17. That is 17. This is by formula NCR plus NCR is equal to NC N minus R. By this formula we write. So this hint also you remember, it will be helpful for your competitive further. 9 plus 8 is 17, so N is 17. Now you are required to find 17C 17. Directly you can tell 17C 17 is equal to 1. So option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. Next one. Next. In the expansion of A plus B bracket raised to N, the sum of indices of A and B is. Mostly most of them might have gone wrong in this. The sum of indices he has asked. So in the expansion, most of them might have written the number of terms in the expansion. Now just a two-step I will write here. A plus B bracket raised to N if we expand. A raised to N plus NC1 A raised to N minus 1 into B plus N2 A raised to N minus 2 into B square plus so on. He has asked sum of indices. Sum of indices means you are required to add power of A and B. Means sum means it is power of A and B. Whatever term you take, if you add both, that is sum, you will get N. So in this term if you add N minus 1, B power is 1. So 1 gets cancelled, we will have N. Even here if you take N minus 2 plus 2, 2 gets cancelled, you will have N. So option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. Clear? Next. Fourth term of the sequence is defined by. The fourth term of the sequence defined by. So directly put n is equal to 4. So A4 is equal to 4 by 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 by 5. B is the answer. B is the answer. Next, ninth one. Equation of line parallel to x-axis passing through point. Here, he has asked equation of line that is parallel to x-axis and passing through point he has asked. So if I take this as x-axis, this as y-axis, there is a line parallel to x-axis. You should remember this, means again it will be helpful for your competitive. Equation of x-axis will be y equal to 0 and equation of line parallel to x-axis will be equation of line parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis will be y is equal to k, means y coordinate of that point. So he says that passes through point. So passes through point minus 2 comma 3, means somewhere this point is minus 2 comma 3. So y is equal to 3. It is passing through point minus 2 comma 3. So y is equal to 3. Option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. Clear? Next, 10th one is direct. Equation of circle with the center 0 comma 0 and radius r. That is option C. X square plus y square is equal to r square. Length of latest rectum of hyperbola. Again here directly you are required to remember. So answer is 2b square by a. The octant in which the point lies. Again here I will tell a hint. You can remember this. So if he has given coordinates x, y and z. So first, seeing these two terms, you write quadrant. In the now, if z is positive, then octant will be equal to same as a quadrant. So x y ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದು quadrant ಅನ್ನೋದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. z ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ octant ಆಗ್ತದ. If z is negative, then octant is equal to quadrant plus 4. ಅದ 4 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ octant ಸಿಗ್ತದ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದರಿ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. z ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದ ಆಕ್ಟಂಟ್, z ಮೈನಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 4 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್, he has given -4, 2, -5. ಹೀಗಿದೆ ಎರಡು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. x ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, y ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್. z ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅದರಿ, ಸೊ ಆಡ್ 4 to this. So octant will be 6th octant. Octant 6 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ option D will be the answer. Next 13th, the value of limit x tends to 0 cos x by pi minus x. Now limits ಒಳಗೆ you should remember basic that we simplify when we get 0 by 0. 0 by 0 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು simplify ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. So direct substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ x tends to 0 ಅದ. So cos 0 divided by pi minus 0. Cos 0 is 1, denominator is pi, so answer is 1 by pi. B is the answer. Next, the mean value of anta ಕೇಳೋಣ. The mean value of following data is. So ಎಲ್ಲ add ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, divide ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So if I add all, 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 17, 80 ಬರ್ತದೆ. So mean x bar is equal to 80 divided by ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So divided by 8, so x bar will be equal to 10. So option A is the answer. 15th, probability of drawing a club card from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. So club there will be 13, so club 13 irtava, total 52. So probability of club is 13 divided by 52. So cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ, you will get 1 by 4. 1 by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ option C is the answer. Option C. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 16th, y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾನ. ಸೊ y ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. 2 by 3 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋತಾನೆ, y is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. That is 3 by 3 cancel ಆಗಿ you will get 1. So the answer 1. Next, the value of sin n pi ಕೇಳೋಣ. So sin n pi ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ n pi is 0, n equal to 0 2 4 6 ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ sin n pi ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, n equal to 1 2 3 ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ. So pi anta bantu 1 pi 2 pi 3 pi whatever may be the value, sin value will be 0. So ಎರಡನೇದ answer 0. The value of 7 factorial by 5 factorial, 18th. 7 factorial divided by 5 factorial. So 7 factorial I can write it as 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. Denominator ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದಂಗ 5 factorial. So this gets cancelled. 6 7s are 42. So 42 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Third one 18th, 42 is the answer. The slope of line making 60 degree with positive direction of x-axis. Slope is given by tan theta. Tan 60 is root 3. So 19th is root 3. Next, last one, the derivative of x square minus 2 at x is equal to 10. So if you differentiate, just I will take it as y, means dy by dx. 2x, differentiation of 2 is 0. So x is the 10th number, 2 into 10, so you will get answer 20. So 20 is the answer. So this is about 1 marks which had appeared in today's annual exam question paper. So as you had requested, so I have given you the solutions of 1 marks.